Hello and welcome to Car India magazine. There has been a lot of buzz about electric cars at Mahindra Automotive. Recently they showcased 5 electric concepts that are set to come out soon. But today we have their first production ready SUV, the XUV 400. Let's take a quick look at it. To start off, the XUV 400 shares its platform with Mahindra's already existing SUV, the XUV 300. But this is the all-electric version of it. To check out this XUV 400 all-electric, Mahindra has invited us to their proving grounds, that is on the outskirts of Chennai. It is one marvelous facility and we can't wait to get this XUV 400 on the track. The official launch for the XUV 400 is still some time away. Mahindra say they will launch it in January of 2023. Till then, Mahindra hope to build up hype for this electric vehicle. They plan to take it across 16 cities all over India. The biggest change in terms of design for the XUV 400 over the XUV 300 has to be this front grille and the addition of these new bronze elements. And the major update is this new bronze colored Mahindra Twin Peak logo. Pratap Bose, head of design at Mahindra Automotive, and his team have gone for a very different approach for the design of this electric car. While most manufacturers go for a blue theme while designing their electric cars, the team at Mahindra chose this bronze copper look to reflect the copper wire that is used in electric motors. Talking about those bronze copper elements, they truly define the car. From the roof to these highlights below the headlamp and even the bronze badge. That is what defines this electric vehicle, and that's the theme that Mahindra have gone for. The XUV 400 gets the same 16-inch wheels as the XUV 300. The XUV 400 interior is identical to the XUV 300. The only difference is you get a couple of bronze highlights. One being the Mahindra badge and the other being the AC vent. Other features that come with the XUV 400 all-electric model is you get Android Auto as well as Apple CarPlay connectivity, as well as you get a dual zone climate control. Safety is a strong point for Mahindra. The XUV 400 gets 6 airbags, an IP67 rating for the battery pack, and it gets ISOFIX points for the child safety seat. For the XUV 300, Mahindra is going with the performance factor. They are claiming 0 to 100 times of 8.3 seconds. Now that's really quick. And all this is thanks to an electric motor that produces 150 horsepower and 310 Newton meters of torque. I've given you all the performance figures, but just a tap of the accelerator will actually show you how fast this XUV 400 accelerates. And Mahindra have claimed that it has the fastest segment times for 0 to 100. Now all that power comes from a 39.4 kilowatt hour battery pack. That is a lithium ion battery pack. It is claimed to give a range of 456 kilometers on a single charge. Mahindra claim a 0 to 80% charge at a 50 kilowatt hour fast charger in just 50 minutes. Now that's some quick charging. At lower capacity chargers, the charge times might increase. Mahindra have done a great job with their first all-electric SUV. And this XUV 400 with its immense range will really set the segment on fire. Now talking about this range, we would definitely like to take this XUV 400 on a long road trip to really test out the range. But for that, we'll have to wait till January 2023 to really test this car out. Thanks for watching and stay tuned to Car India magazine for all the latest updates from the automotive world. Do like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.